Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Mom.
I woke up early today.
I woke up early today.
I want to brush my teeth.
I want to brush my teeth.
Can I have my toothbrush?
Can I have my toothbrush?
I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my face.
I am washing my face.
I am combing my hair.
I am combing my hair.
I am getting dressed.
I am getting dressed.
I want my blue shirt.
I want my blue shirt.
Can I wear my shoes now?
Can I wear my shoes now?
I am tying my shoelaces.
I am tying my shoelaces.
My shoes are shiny.
My shoes are shiny.
I am ready for breakfast.
I am ready for breakfast.
What's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast?
I like bread and milk.
I like bread and milk.
Please give me some eggs.
Please give me some eggs.
I am eating my breakfast.
I am eating my breakfast.
I like this juice.
I like this juice.
I am done eating.
I am done eating.
Can I have more?
Can I have more?
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
I am ready for school.
I am ready for school.
I am putting on my bag.
I am putting on my bag.
I am wearing my cap.
I am wearing my cap.
My bag is heavy.
My bag is heavy.
I am holding my lunchbox.
I am holding my lunchbox.
I am wearing my sweater.
I am wearing my sweater.
I am closing the door.
I am closing the door.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Bye-bye, Mom.
I am walking to the bus stop.
I am walking to the bus stop.
The bus is coming.
The bus is coming.
I am waving at my friends.
I am waving at my friends.
I am getting on the bus.
I am getting on the bus.
I found a seat.
I found a seat.
I am looking out the window.
I am looking out the window.
The bus is moving.
The bus is moving.
I am getting off the bus.
I am getting off the bus.
I am walking into the school.
I am walking into school.
I am saying hello to my teacher.
I am saying hello to my teacher.
I am hanging my bag.
I am hanging my bag.
I am taking out my books.
I am taking out my books.
I am sitting at my desk.
I am sitting at my desk.
I am ready to learn.
I am ready to learn.
The teacher is smiling.
The teacher is smiling.
I am listening to my teacher.
I am listening to my teacher.
I am writing in my notebook.
I am writing in my notebook.
I am raising my hand.
I am raising my hand.
I am answering a question.
I am answering a question.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am drawing a picture.
I am drawing a picture.
I am showing my work.
I am showing my work.
My teacher said, "Good job."
My teacher said good job.
I am smiling happily.
I am smiling happily.
It's time for a break.
It's time for a break.
I am playing with friends.
I am playing with friends.
I am running fast.
I am running fast.
I am jumping high.
I am jumping high.
I am sliding down.
I am sliding down.
I am on the swing.
I am on the swing.
Push me higher.
Push me higher.
I am laughing loudly.
I am laughing loudly.
The bell is ringing.
The bell is ringing.
It's time to go back to the class.
It's time to go back to the class.
I am sitting again.
I am sitting again.
The teacher is teaching math.
The teacher is teaching math.
I am counting numbers.
I am counting numbers.
I am clapping my hands.
I am clapping my hands.
I am singing a song.
I am singing a song.
The song is fun.
The song is fun.
I am learning new words.
I am learning new words.
I am repeating after the teacher.
I am repeating after the teacher.
The class is ending.
The class is ending.
I am packing my bag.
I am packing my bag.
I am zipping my bag.
I am zipping my bag.
I am wearing my bag.
I am wearing my bag.
I see my house.
I see my house.
I am eating a snack.
I am eating a snack.
I am playing with my toys.
I am playing with my toys.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am cleaning my toys.
I am cleaning my toys.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am doing my homework.
I am doing my homework.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.